But right now, Duke Bohannon, Wicked Sensations. For the best wheelie for that man next year, I'm telling you. Y'all give him a hand again. He just tore all kinds of stuff up. Now, let me ask you a question. Was it worth the wait